Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, after President Trump delivered his promise on Friday of hiking tariffs of $200 billion worth of Chinese goods from 10% to 25%, it was on Monday that China announced it would impose tariffs on $60 billion worth of US goods starting from June the 1st. From that, the Australian dollar sunk from 70 cents to a low of 69.40, which is clearly at present the base. The market is still pressuring this level. Now, we do get a break beneath there would expose a region of 68 cents as a new objective. Any rebound at this stage sees resistance at 69.85. From a technical point, though, the bullish divergence is now somewhat buckling, so therefore could see further pressure to the downside and negate this recent turnaround that's failed to emerge. Overnight, the euro, with a slightly weaker greenback, took the challenge back to 112.55.65 and clearly was rejected. From the rejection, could put further threat and pose a decline towards a region of 111.65 to 75, with the objective still holding at this stage at 110.70.85. Any renewed attempts towards the upside is expected to fail. So with the geopolitical risks heightening overnight, the fact is with China adding 60 billion worth of US goods starting from June 1, the market has turned to safe haven. Now also concerns with North Korea, along with Iran, and also the US and China tariffs could increase as Trump has promised to add another 325 billion of tariffs on 25%. The wars between the two, no doubt, will increase tension in the markets. And with the support now crushed at 109.45, does post a fresh 3-month low. And that was at 109.05, I believe. Let me just double check. 105.01. Now, from the technical point, the break of 109.45 does give further scope now towards 107.50.90, with the first target at 108.65, resistance seen at 109.85. The pound also buckled on the support level of 129.65 and now exposes the downside to the region of 128 or maybe to 126.70.85. Do be on your guard and keep stop losses tight in case this does turn out to be a false break. The technical implications aren't very strong to suggest the market can slide, but we are beneath the RSI on the midway point and also just going through zero on the axis of the MACD as well. Overnight, also, gold crushes the level of 1,288 and surges and reclaims its target at 1,300 after posting an 01 high. It is assessed that further upside scope is seen towards 1,310 to 1,320 to 24. Any pullback should find support either at 96 minor or at 92. Wrapping up with oil, a little bit concerned over the price action last night. First of all, it was reported that the Saudi Arabians said there were 2 tankers were attacked on Sunday near the Persian Gulf, which turned into a slightly negative outlook with the tit for tat for China as well with the US tariffs. The market did spike to a high of 63.38 before dropping back heavily and posting an outside range day, which hasn't been confirmed yet. My view is still that the fact that the demand should come from $60 a barrel, and as long as we don't break beneath there, should see a rebound back to which was nearly claimed last night, the $64 a barrel. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoyed a great start to this new day.